Before performing maintenance on EIW equipment, be sure to read and follow the installation, operation, and maintenance manual. Follow the appropriate lockout, tagout, blockout procedures, and read and follow all safety tags. Failure to do so could result in injury or death. To install a flexible spider on EIW equipment, first switch off the power to the screw washer and lock the switch in the off position to ensure no power can reach the machine while installing or replacing the flexible spider. Cover a bolt with thread lock like Loctite, Blue 242 or better, and insert it through one of the top middle holes located on the driving hub. Lift the flexible spider onto the driving hub and thread the bolt through the driving hub into the raised and welded flange on the flexible spider. Apply thread lock to another bolt and insert it into the bottom of the driving hub through to the flexible spider to help hold the flexible spider in place. Thread the remaining bolts through the driving hub into the flexible spider, making sure to thread lock every bolt. Bring the bolts up to snug tightness with an impact driver. Do not over-tighten. Use a torque wrench to tighten the bolts to the proper torque specifications listed in the manual. Install new lock wires through the drilled holes in the bolt heads. 2 number 16 gauge wires are recommended and should be placed in a manner that holds the bolts tight. The bolts should be wired in pairs to minimize the possibility of loosening or failure. Place the rubber protective sleeve over the spider and driving hub. Install a banding clip around the rubber protective sleeve. Clamp the band in place using a band tool or a hose clamp if a band tool is not available. For more information, please contact Eagle Iron Works.